By now, if you've been here for some time, I'm sure you guys know how much I love Kitengela. So I was actually heading to some houses in Kitengela, actually my previous real estate video, and I saw these beautiful houses along the road, and I was like, why not go check them out? So this is what this video is about. I'm going to be showing you guys these beautiful houses that I just came across on my way. One thing's for sure, this estate is in a very serene, quiet environment. Like around this place, it's just like a vast piece of land. There are not many houses around here, which makes it so quiet. I really loved the environment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shykoh, and if you are new here, you're very much welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my content. So guys, today we are in one of my favorite places in Nairobi, Kitengela, and we are finally doing another house tour video. As you can see guys, check out this house. An estate called Sarah Gables, and I just saw it when I was on my way to vlog other houses, and this is in Kitengela, and I was like, oh, let me check these ones out, and already I am so in love. So keep it locked, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and let's get straight into it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
It's just comprising of 6 units and only 2 are remaining. Rental is 70,000. This corner house is the show house, which we are gonna see. It's actually a 4-bedroom house with a separate SQ, and it has 2 floors up. In terms of space, I was impressed with the living room space, the dining space. That was good space. But when it comes to the interior, I was actually quite disappointed. I loved the wooden flooring. It's warm, it's good, but I felt like for the walls, the colors, they would have done a better job with the interior. So this is the kitchen as well. It's like brown. It's more of like the traditional interior. So the kitchen also has that small pantry. When you go outside, the grass is beautiful. It looks like the artificial green carpet grass, but it's actually real grass, and it's so beautiful. The front yard is big. We'll get back to that later. So downstairs you have this bedroom, which I guess is a guest bedroom. Like there's one all-en-suite bedroom downstairs. Of course, this is how the bathroom looks like. I did not like the tiles at all. I mean, you guys, this house is going for 20 million. I had the outside the house looked amazing. The estate looks amazing, but when I came in, I was like, this interior should be better for 20 million. But anyway, guys, let's continue checking out the house. So that's the bedroom downstairs. As you can see, the flooring, most of the parts are brown. When you come upstairs to the first floor, you have this living room area, a family room rather, where you can put a telly and you can have like a family room upstairs. And then here we have another bedroom. Remember, they have 4 bedrooms, which are all en suite. 2 large windows, a small light fixture. Yeah, basically I felt like it was so basic. I don't know whether you guys feel me. For 20 million, you guys. Again, the bathroom looks the same, a silver shower head. At least the shower head was good. So this is the other bedroom. Actually, all the bedrooms look alike. There was no much difference between them in terms of size, apart from the master bedroom, which was the biggest. But the other bedrooms, the 2 upstairs, the 1 downstairs, they all look the same. So yeah, I really wish they had plain tiles. But anyway, let's keep looking. Maybe something is gonna change our mind. All right, so guys, again, that's the family room. Now we're gonna head on. I actually liked this detail on that window. I don't know what this is called actually, but it's like that window kwa family room. So this is finally the master bedroom. It's actually bigger in size than all the other bedrooms, and it has a balcony. So from this balcony you can see your neighbors. There's a light fixture there as well, so you can relax even at night. You'll be having your source of light there. And the estate is quite cool. Now, this could actually add bonus points to the house. A bathtub in the master bedroom. That was really, really cool. So if you're living here, the master bedroom would be an amazing place. And you also have a shower as well in the same master bedroom. Then again, there's another floor up. So it's 2 floors up, but the floor up only has that one room, which is like a small room with a toilet and bathroom as well. You can use it as a prayer room, a gym, or whatever. Now back to the sitting room. In the dining area, there was this storage space that actually leads to the kitchen. Like when you open the shelf, you can be able to directly access the kitchen, meaning someone in the kitchen can pass food directly to someone in the dining room and vice versa, which was pretty cool. I've not seen that before. So when you go outside the house, you have the servant quarters, which is also en suite. It's a small room with a wardrobe, small wardrobe, the toilet and bathroom. At least there was a window. And now the most amazing part is the garden. Like this backyard and the front yard were very, very spacious, and the grass was amazing. One thing about this place, if you love parties, you have a whole backyard, I don't even know that this is the front yard. It's so huge. This is, if you've gone to Royal Finesse, or if you know how Royal Finesse houses look like, this is very close to that. The only difference is that there is no pool here, but it's so cute. Look at the clouds. I would definitely live here. As I mentioned, the houses are going for 20 million buying and 70,000 shillings to rent. I think renting here is actually an amazing deal for 70,000. The houses are not far from the main road. It's before Shykoh. After GMC, there is an entrance to the estate, and it's like 10 minutes drive from the main highway. Each house is fitted with solar panels, and there is backup power for each house. There is borehole water, CCTV surveillance, good security, parking, many other amenities. The house is on a 50 by 100 size of land, and they have ready title deeds for each land. Elegant grilled fencing between the units. So basically that was it with these houses. I would really love to know what you guys think about them, especially think about the price. Now, if after watching that house tour video, like I'd rather buy land and build my dream house, guess what? I'm here with amazing deals on land for you guys. And I know buying land in Kenya can be quite a tricky thing because of con men and stuff like that, but I'm here to plug you guys with a reliable source, Fanaka Real Estate, a company that has been in existence for 6 years and won many awards on transparency. All their plots of land have ready title deeds transferable within 45 days after completion of payment. They accept payment in cash and installments of up to 12 months, and the prices are inclusive of transfer charges, the title deed transfer charges, which is an after sale service. All plots are an 8 acre in size, and they have projects in Kamakis, Juja Farm, Kenyatta Road, and Kangundo Road. Kamakis going for 1.7 million, 2.89 and 4.55. Offices are located in Ruai, Dune Plaza basement, and in Ruiru, Naivas, Kamakis, 4th floor. You can call Purity Wanjiru for assistance. She can give you more details on the land, advise you, and also take you for site visits. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I wish you guys the very best in owning your dream homes. I will see you on the next video. Bye.